So we have the exact same problem, quarters and dimes. This time we have 28 dimes and our ratio is 4:3. All right, you know the drill by now, okay? We're gonna do dimes, we're gonna do quarters. What's my ratio? 4:3. So my dimes has to have how many boxes? 4 boxes. So I'm going to split those up. 1, 2, 3. And then how many boxes do my quarters have to have? 3. Oh gosh. Okay, it's okay. They're not perfect. They don't need to be, as long as you know what you're doing. Okay. How many dimes are there? 28. So this whole thing we know equals 28. There's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what's 28 divided by 4? 7. So we know each of those boxes has 7. So each of these has 7 plus 7 plus 7. So what's 7 times 3? 21. 21 quarters. Okay, I know those were all very similar examples, but if you need to go through these again, just pause, rewind, whatever you got to do, okay? We're going to look at one more type of problem that you can use tape diagrams for. The ratio of the ratio of boys to girls in the 6th grade is 4:7. There are 88 students in the 6th grade. So we want to know how many boys and how many girls are there. Okay, first off, we start with our ratio. We know it's going to be boys to girls. Okay, so I'm going to start with making my tape diagrams. It's boys to girls. Okay, my ratio is 4:7. So how many boxes do the boys need? 4 boxes. 1, 2. Oh, those are not equal at all. That's all right. We only need 4. Okay, and then the girls need 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not very equal, not very pretty, but there's my tape diagrams. We can figure it out, right? Okay, so my ratio is 4:7. There are 88 students in the 6th grade. So this is another one. This is total, right? Combine the boys and girls, we're going to have how many students? 88. We need to figure out how much each of these boxes are. So we need to fit 88 and split it up into this many pieces. How many pieces is that? What's 4 plus 7? 4 plus 7 is 11. So I have 11 total pieces. We need to divide that by 88. So if you're into dividing like this, what's 11 divided by 88? 8, right? Okay, I'm going to delete that so we don't get confused. But it's 8. So how much is in each of these boxes? 8 in these boxes, and there's 8 in these boxes. So how many boys are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. What's 4 times 8? 32. Girls, how many boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What's 7 times 8? 56. That's girls. And then if we go up here, that's boys. Okay? I'm pretty sure that's, yep, that's the end. Okay, so let's get out of this here. We'll finish up here. That was a lot of information, so it is probably going to be very beneficial for you to make sure that you have good notes, that you watched this throughout its entirety, and that you go back and re-watch sections that you need to. Okay, we basically did 3 types of problems. First off, we just looked at what is a tape diagram, how to figure out a ratio using it. Then we looked at part of that ratio, And then we looked at what if we have the whole amount. In all three situations, we need to find out what one of those boxes is valued at. And then you can solve the rest of the problems. Okay, so if you keep that in mind, tape diagrams can be so helpful when you're solving ratios.